We are in chapter fraction, and today's topic is the representation of a number in number line. So, see that what is number line? Number line means you are expressing any number in a line. Here this is 0 and this is x and this is x dash. So now the right hand side are for positive numbers and left hand side for the negative numbers. So for example 1, 2, 3 and so on, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on up to infinite. Infinite means the number is unknown number. You can extend the number line up to infinite number. Now any number can be expressed in the number line, the fractions. Yes, we can express any number in the number line. For example, sir, 2 by 5, 3 by 15, 1 by 4, all number can be expressed in the number line. Yes, we can express all this number in the number line. Now see that here we now express 1 by 4 in the number line. See that in the line given, the right hand side is x, that means OX is positive side and the negative side is OX dash. So for representing 1 by 4, see the denominator. So what is the denominator? 4. And this is the positive quantity. So we can express 1 as 4 by 4. We can write 4 by 4 means 1. Similarly, we can write in the place of 2, that is 8 by 4. So that is 8 by 4, that means 2. So if numerator is 4, then in 0 to 1 is 1 by 4 is there. So you have to express 0 to 1 in 4 equal parts. You have to divide the 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. So we divide it. See that 4 equal parts is there. I am not measuring in the scale, I am just doing formally. So the first is 1 by 4. The second is 2 by 4. Next is 3 by 4. And the next is 4 by 4. So in the question given 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. Okay. Now next example. In the next example we will discuss for 2 by 5. So in the 2 by 5, see that we also express the right hand side is positive and the left hand side is negative. So for 2 by 5, this is a positive quantity, positive fraction 2 by 5. So we can write in the position of 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 means 1. Next, in 2 we can write 10 by 5, and in 3 we can write 15 by 5. So what is the denominator? 5. That means you have to divide the 0 to 1 or 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever the numerator this is, into 5th division. So we'll divide 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See that? 4 equal parts is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 by 5. So you have to express 2 by 5. So what is 2 by 5? This 2, this number. So this is 2 by 5. Okay? So in the next example, this is 11 by 4. So in the 11 by 4, see that 11 by 4. So in the 11 by 4, now firstly see the denominator. What is the denominator? 4. So now express 1, that is 4 by 4. 8, that means 8 by 4. And 12, that means 3 means 12 by 4. Now in the question you have to find 11 by 4. So 4 means you have to divide the 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means this is the 11 by 4. This is the 11 by 4. This is the 11 by 4. Okay. So we divide into 4 equal parts. See that? First part, second part, third part and fourth part. Similarly, first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So 4 equal parts divide by 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. In the each graph we will divide into 4 equal parts. Then we signify the 11 by 4. Okay. Now the last example is 7 by 8. This is minus. So minus 7 by 8. So minus 7 by 8 means the left hand side. The direction will be in the left hand side. Now see that. So 8, the numerator is 8. Now we can express this is minus 8 by 8. So minus 8 by 8 means this is minus 1, minus 16 by 8, that is minus 2, minus 24 by 8, that is minus 3. Now we have to express minus 7 by 8. That means in 0 to 1 we have to divide this gap into 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And this is the minus 7 by 8. Okay. Now we are going to the exercise. Okay. So exercise 5C, 1 and 1, 3 and 5 we will discuss now. So in 1, see that 1 by 2. So if we express it, that is 1 and 2 and minus 1, minus 2. So if 1 by 2 is there, that means denominator is 2. So we can express 1 is 2 by 2 and 2 is 4 by 2. So if denominator is 2, that means you have to divide these gaps into 2 equal parts. That means 1 and 2. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. Next 3 by 5. So now firstly divide 1, 2, 3 and the negative side also. Okay. So 3 by 5. So denominator is 5. So express 1, that is 5 by 5, 10 by 5 and 15 by 5. So now the given is 3 by 5. So that means you have to break this interval 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? And number third is 3 by 5. Okay. Next, minus 1 by 5. So now 1, 2, here minus 1, minus 2. So in the minus 1 by 5, you have to choose the negative side. That means you have to write minus 1 into minus 5 by 5, and this is minus 10 by 5. So in the minus 5 by 5, we can express 0 to minus 1 and divide it into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now choose the minus 1 by 5. So this is minus, the first is minus 1 by 5. Okay. Now we will discuss about the exercise 5C number 2, 1 and 2. So 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 and 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. We already drawn the number line x dashed o x dashed and identify the points. The right hand side points are right hand side points are the plus 1, 2 and the left hand side points are the minus 1, minus 2. Similarly for the next figure also. Now firstly we are discussing the first figure. First 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So see that if we write in the position of 1 is 4 by 4. Why 4 by 4? Because the denominator are given 4. Okay. So 4 by 4, that is also 8 by 4. Similarly for this part also we can write minus 4 by 4 and this also minus 8 by 4. Now we have to express 1 by 4. That means we have to express 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. I am not using scale, so I am just doing formally. So if you can use you can use the scale for the dividing this equal parts. So minus plus 1 by 4. So the first one, this is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4 and this is 4 by 4. So in the question given 1 by 4, so I am denoting the 1 by 4. Now same, this is minus 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. That means minus 1 by 4 for the first one. So minus 1 by 4. The second one minus 2 by 4. The third one minus 3 by 4 and the fourth one 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4. That is minus 1. Okay. And similarly we can express 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So what is the 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5? So 2 by 5 means, see that 0 to 1 we can write 1 as 5 by 5 and 2 means 10 by 5. Similarly minus 1, that means minus 5 by 5 and 2 means minus 10 by 5. So 1 by 5 means, see that divide into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 5. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. Similarly for the left hand side for the minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 0. This is the 0. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is 0. This is not 0. This is 1 by 5. This is 0. Okay. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is minus 1 by 5. This is minus 2 by 5. Okay. So I almost complete the exercise 5C. So for your improvement for this exercise, I will give 5 sum for your practice. Okay. Number 1, 3 by 10. Number 2, 2 by 3. Number 3, minus 7 by 10. Number 4, 5 by 6. And number 5, minus 3 by 5 and 4 by 9. So these 5 sum also homework for the next class. Okay, write it on your copy. Thank you all.